This 2026 Jayco Seismic 413 double slide, side and rear patio decks is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 46 feet 1 inch in length and features a vintage farmhouse interior, sleeps 9, air conditioning, slide-out, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Seismic 413 double slide, side and rear patio decks is 16,260 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.